Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Hey guys, Joel here. I'm hanging out with my buddy Meg today.
Hey.
And we're making some mussels.
Oh, yeah. You know, I rep, I lift.
We have a lot in common. Today we're making these just delicious cider-braised mussels.
Yeah, I love a one
Where
potter.
it's just like, you need one pot, you can rock out the entire thing. So first step is we've got a screaming hot Dutch oven. What do we got next?
We've got onion and Calabrese. It's like a
Calabrese.
spicy salami.
Yes.
What about some red chili?
Why not? You just want to make a good base. And I love the fact that we're doing the dried salami here.
Yeah, and it's like so good for camping.
You actually like backpack and like,
Yeah, like sleep
Do it.
under the stars, all that.
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
I love the challenge of like eating really well
Yeah.
while you're doing that and just like figuring out the tricks.
Yeah.
The perfect ingredient is a
Yes.
fire.
That's all
Throw
you
something
need.
good on there.
Speaking of throwing something good on there, we've got some mussels. They're super cost effective
Yeah.
and they're really easy to cook. Yes. We're braising this, so we're kind of tossing them through, but in order to get them kind of open, we need to give them a little bit of liquid.
Yeah,
Why'd you
this
choose
is
cider?
a pear cider. I just love this cider because it's delicious. It's also like very Pacific Northwest, like very
Yes.
Seattle.
So while this is braising, you can't have mussels without bread.
Yeah, you need the dippies.
So we're just gonna drizzle lots of good olive.
And then it's gonna be like a big crouton sort of moment.
Another key is just to kind of go off center, so don't just go right over the flame. We'll have charcoal instead of bread. And then everyone judges me for being a chef and burning bread.
And eating it even though it's charcoal.
We still eat it.
Yeah.
When you're out and about, camping and kind of outside, favorite thing to cook?
So I'll marinate chicken thighs in a bunch of spices, yogurt, throw it in a Tupperware. You hit it over the fire. The yogurt like keeps it real moist, but it kind of
Yes.
chars up. And then you do pita wraps, tomatoes, lettuce, more yogurt sauce, something
Yes.
like that. After you've been like trekking, unloading the car, setting up camp, setting up the fire.
Yes.
That's really good.
Let's see some.
Let's see. Ooh.
Oh yeah, you want to give them a stir?
Yeah.
There's just nothing like them. And why I think mussels are so easy to cook is because they tell you when they're done. And if they're not all open yet, guess what? You just throw on the lid for another minute. Like Meg can make a marinade ahead of time, she made this incredible.
A little
So this is
salsa
like, what's
verde,
in it?
some parsley, cilantro, a bunch of pepper flakes, garlic, lemon.
Yes.
I'm just gonna smell it for a little aromatherapy moment.
I love it.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh, these look incredible. They smell insane. Look at that.
Lovely. So now a little drizzle of this to finish it off.
Woo!
Yeah, a little fresh element in there.
Dude, that looks insane.
Yeah, let's put them together. Beautiful.
Look at that. Charred bread, smoky cider-braised mussels in a matter of like 10 minutes.
Yeah, no, that was fast.
By the way, let me show you guys the trick here. It's like a little built-in thing. They're so good. I could eat 100 of these. I mean,
I definitely do this. That's great.
so get your mussels on. For more recipes like this, click the link.